This was the first ever cycling holiday that I've done with my parents.
Basically, it's something we could do together.
Cycling's it's a great way of keeping fit and seeing places. It's a great social thing as well.
It's the first time we've been to Sicily, much bigger than I actually anticipated.
It was a perfect introduction to the culture, the foods, and all the different drinks. It was just amazing.
Yeah, I mean, there's a great variety here, you know, from countryside to seaside, from hilltop towns to fishing villages, farmland, sort of vineyards and olive groves, and just loads of stuff to see and explore.
Active holidays are great because you get up in the morning and you know you're going to cycle from A to B, and you can, you know, stop off at any interesting points along the route. Max have done all the bookings and everything. You just get on your bike and off you go.
My dad is a much more accomplished cyclist, so he was on a hybrid bike and enjoyed the hills, whereas my mum and myself took e-bikes, so we're able to have an extra boost. At the end of each day, I really felt like I could relax a lot more in comparison to other holidays.
I think the thing that strikes me is just how friendly people are. You're spoilt for choice in some of these towns in Modica and Noto, and their coffee's great.
It's really interesting and varied, and there's always nice little coffee shops, restaurants, cafes, you know, you name it, it's usually there.
I think because Max Adventure organised everything for us, all we had to do was have fun, so it was amazing.